Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here to show you the most recent release of Kaweco. So, first of all, let me thank Kaweco for sending me this little package with the new Kaweco Sport, and let's open this. Okay, so here we have some personal information. It's not really that serious because it's my work address, it's not anything personal. And we have the little postcard saying it was packaged by Nicole, which is nice. I like this kind of postcards. And we have that black stuff to protect the pen, and here we have the pen inside. And it is just a simple pen. Let's destroy this a little bit. We have another postcard, the one with kind of the history of Kaweco and the founders and the current owner and so on. And the big sticker. And then we have this sticker, also the black sticker, and here we have the pen and yes, the usual leaflet with the instructions and the warranty and so on. So nothing else inside. I can take these away, put this aside, and let's see what we have here. We'll open these. So we have, let me show you. What we have here is the Kaweco Collection. It's the new edition of the Kaweco Collection pen, and this one is called let me see, it's called Apricot Pearl, and it has this apricot like color with a pearlescent effect. Let me put this a little bit on the side, take the pen out. It comes inside the usual plastic sleeve. Let me put the plastic sleeve away. So we have here the box, which is very nice. I'm not sure if you can easily see it, but it has a color gradation from here to that. And here we have, it is a classic sport in the way it is gold trim. And here you see Kaweco Collection, as is the usual engraving on Kaweco Collection pens, except for a part of the Kaweco Collection Light Lavender. That part of it came with the Kaweco Sport, regular Kaweco Sport engraving, as a mistake. Here we have a nib, which is an M, I think, yes. Each time is more and more difficult for me to read. And here we have the pearlescent effect. And can I show it to you nicely? I don't think so, but I'm noticing something that finally it makes sense. They put inside an orange Kaweco cartridge, and it makes sense. Why just a royal blue one as usual? Try to match it. Of course, it will not be a perfect match with this color, but it makes some sense to have these. So what we have here is kind of, I'm not sure if you can really see this. This will be very hard to show, but what you have here is a very light peach color, apricot color pen that has a shading. If it was an ink, I would say it is a very light orange ink, if it was an ink, with some green sheen. And that's what you can see. You can see the pearlescence is shown through a green shading of the pen. And I think that is nice. So again, what we have here is a pen, a classic Kaweco Sport pen in the Kaweco Collection line, but it is a Kaweco Sport in its shape. It comes with an orange cartridge. I didn't know about that. It has gold trim, and this is it. The nib is made of steel, although it is gold plated, and it costs around 33 euros. And now just for some color comparisons, because I think you like those, and I hope my lighting is okay. I'm not making videos for a long time now, and I'm not completely sure if this is a perfect if this is perfect. And by the way, I had some notification on my phone that I forgot to take out, sorry, and I'm recording this on my phone, sorry about that. And I want to show you some other pens for comparison. So this is Kaweco Collection Apricot Pearl, and this is the Kaweco Collection Iridescent Pearl. And as you may see, it also has some iridescent effect, but this really looks like mother of pearl. That's the kind of look it has, and this one is a different one. It's very, very different. It could almost be a Kaweco Frosted Sport edition when you look at it like this at first time, but when you look it closer, then you see that kind of different color shading. So I brought here to the table also the Kaweco Sport, the Frosted Sport. This is the soft mandarin, because you may ask if they are the same, and they are not. How can I describe this? This is more pinkish, and this is more orangey, almost more on the yellow side. But you can see here perfectly, this one has different shading, this one has different shading, and this one is more plain, although translucent. All of those are translucent, and you can see perfectly here that you have the cartridge inside, and that's how I understood that the cartridge was not the usual royal blue, because you can see there the orange color. So it is different from the others. These are the things that are most similar. This one by its color, this one for the effect it has, for that pearl effect. But some people may be asking, I know the pen is outside and some people already bought it, but this may be the first real comparison with some others, is that how it compares with some others that have no comparison with it. So as I was telling you, this is more on a more yellowish side than the soft mandarin, and I have here the yellow one, which is the Kaweco Frosted Sport Sweet Banana, and you can see it's completely different. So if you're asking where it belongs, it doesn't belong here at all. So this is really a completely different color. Also, I have here the Kaweco Frosted Sport Blush Pitaya, which is the pinkish frosted edition of it. This is more like a salmon color. This is more pinkish. So you can see when I say this is more pinkish than that, it is, but it's not pink as the Blush Pitaya. So I hope this will help you to understand where these colors fit. And finally, I also have here the Kaweco Sport for Cult pens, and this was called the Transparent Gold. This one has almost some pearlescency, but it has some shimmer. You can see it has some particles, golden colored particles, and I would say it can remember the same kind of tone. This one will be clearly similar, but this one is more transparent and it has that glitter. So you can see how this one will fit in between all these pens, and they are, you can see it is a different animal, because this is the soft mandarin, this is the new Kaweco Collection Apricot Pearl, this is the Cult pen Transparent Gold, and this is the Iridescent Pearl. You can see this one is different from all the others, but it is more similar to this one, less transparent, more on the orange side, but not as orange as the mandarin, and it has a pearlescent effect, although it's not as obvious because it's not like this intense mother of pearl like you have it on the iridescent pearl. So this is really different pen, and I hope this will help you to place it or to know exactly what to expect from this color. So this is all I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope most of all, more than enjoying, is that this video was helpful to you, so you can decide if you want to buy this new edition or not. I thank Kaweco for sending me this pen. As you know, I collect Kaweco sport pens, so this makes a lot of sense to me. I love Kaweco as brand and as an idea, so I'm very thankful for receiving this, for being able to show it to you, and maybe I will make a review later as far as I can have all the time to prepare that. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.